Hey guys, good morning. Good morning, everyone. I hope all of you are doing great. So, guys, thank you all for joining our new session on the markets. Okay, so here we are going to discuss what has happened in the last 24 hours. All right, so let us start the session, guys. Guys, should we start? If yes, kindly type it in the chat. All right, guys. So let us start the session. So first of all, I'd like to talk about BTC. What has happened in BTC? So, guys, if you remember, we shared two trades yesterday. One was a BTC long, okay, and a BTC long around $78,000, and it did go up, okay, it did go higher in a pretty nice way, and we saw it reaching almost 79,500. But then the market sort of corrected, and we saw the prices coming back to 77,500. So we closed the trade at around 78,500, guys, right? That was trade one. Second trade was an Ethereum long, which we are still holding, and the third trade was a Solana short, which we booked in profit. Okay, so I hope you guys remember this. So if you see the market right now, okay, so currently all the coins have sort of fallen from the top, but it has come back to a major area of interest. Okay, so for example, this is Ethereum, right? So Ethereum has sort of given a breakout around this 2340 zone and has gone up to 2430, and now it has come back to sort of retest this zone. Now I'd like to talk about this price action first. So what has happened here is the market took a lot of time to sort of stay in this range, right? This range. Just a second. This particular range, the market took a lot of time and it was quite volatile, okay, within this range, and it has given a breakout at this point. Now, obviously, it is a rule of the market that whenever there is a good breakout, then there will be a retest. Okay, so whenever there is a good breakout on the chart, then there will be a retest followed. So, retest how? Retest just like this. So, the market broke this here, it went up, and then from the higher level, it has sort of corrected back to the same 2340 zone. So, this is the retest that has happened on Ethereum chart. Now, if the market manages to close, okay, see, we now know that the price has sort of come down to get bounced from this support. Now, on the lower time frame, if the price manages to close above 2370, right, this one, if the price manages to close above this 2370, then we can say yes, the market will start to be a little better in some time. Okay, so I look into this as a buying opportunity. I'm not sure whether the markets will be able to hold up or not, right? But if it manages to close above 2370, right? If Ethereum closes above 2370, if it goes back up above 2370, then we shall see Ethereum going up from here towards 2430. Hope that's clear, guys. So we just have to see a reversal price action to actually see Ethereum sort of going back up with a very strong momentum. Let us also have a look at Solana, and Solana is also having a similar price action, right? So here on Solana chart, this is the zone, right? If you see, I will do another mark. You can see this. So Solana also has sort of formed a bottom around this zone, right? If it closes above 86 or 87, okay, 86.5 or 87, right, then there is a chance that Solana price can go up from here, something like this. Okay. All right. So I hope this is clear. Coming back to Bitcoin, so Bitcoin has already started this movement. You can see Bitcoin has on 1 hour time frame, BTC has sort of created a bottom around this level, 77,400, and I expect BTC to head higher from here. Okay. So yes, guys, this is a retest. This is nothing else. Okay, this is just a retest that I am looking into. Okay, if by any chance, okay, if by any chance market breaks below this zone 2330, right? If by any chance the price goes below this zone, then we can short the market, and the shorting can be done on Solana. Okay, if Solana breaks 85.5, then we will short Solana, and the targets can be 82 and 78. Okay. All right. So I hope the analysis on Solana, Ethereum, and BTC has been clear. Okay. Now let us have a look at BNB. So BNB is also having a similar price action, nothing different. Sort of sideways only. Yesterday it made a high. From high, it again sort of went down. Okay. Also, let us have a look at our favorite coin, which is Hyper Liquid. So you can see Hyper Liquid has also sort of bounced from this 39.5 and is currently trading at 41.1. All right, cool. Let's also have a look at Zcash. Zcash, no movement at all. It's trading in the same zone. Okay, although I see a pattern in Zcash. Okay, which is looking decent. So the pattern goes this way. Okay, so this is a triangle pattern that can be seen. Okay, yeah, all right. So hopefully that is clear. So that is Zcash. Also, let us have a look at the XMR chart. So XMR also it's sort of similar, only nothing different. You know. So I'm clearly eyeing on BTC, Ethereum, and Solana only for now, because even till now the markets have, you know, not been decisive. Okay, although I do see BTC heading up back to 79,500 because the price action is decent. All right, so BTC even on 4 hours time frame is creating a bullish engulfing candle. Right, so what exactly is a bullish engulfing candle? Let me just draw it for you. One is a red candle, okay, and the candle following it is a green candle, something like this. And the same sort of pattern can be formed here. You can see this, right? So there is a good chance that if this particular 4 hour candle is closing in a nice way, okay, okay, if it closes over 78 300 or 400, then we can see price coming back up like this. Okay, so yes guys, that is the overall analysis of the market as of now. Okay, there is a chance that the market can sort of start to recover from here. Okay, we are a little skeptical on when the next move might come. Okay, but overall the market does look decent. Okay, so if Ethereum closes above 2360 or 2070, then we can see the prices heading higher from here. Okay, all right, so let's also have a look at a few other coins like PAXG USDT, right? So PAXG is sort of uh, taking rejections around the 4800 zone. It's not getting strong around the 4800 zone. That's why it is taking rejections. So PAXG is not expected to do well. I mean, it can fall because it has rejected from this particular resistance multiple times, right? So I see PAXG being sideways to bearish now. All right. Also, let's have a look at silver. Silver is also having a similar price action. So price is sort of on the rejection mode from around 81.5. Okay, not a lot of difference. All right. So overall, my analysis remains the same. You know, whether market will be able to hold up after taking support from around 2330, or it will come down again. All right. Although you can see BTC, it is sort of pumping upwards, which is good. We haven't seen XRP, right? Let's also have a look at XRP, and XRP is also sort of trying to come back up. All right. Any doubts, guys? Any questions? All right. So, hi, brother. XRP up or down? So, XRP, I'm looking at XRP sort of trying to recover from here. Okay. Yeah, I'm looking at a recovery. I'm looking at a recovery, guys. Although XRP, it is better to long something else like Ethereum and all because XRP is a little weak. Hi. TPSL. As of now, TP can be for 1.44, 1.45. Okay. 1.44. Wait a second. Here. Like this. Ethereum TP can be 2420. SL can be 2290. Okay. All right. XRP, right? So XRP, you can go ahead with this. Something like 1.44 5 TP and 1.40 SL. Okay. Entry. Yes, entry can be done at the current price. Okay. Entry can be done at the current price. All right. Hope that is clear, guys. The XRP long. Again, I will advise take this only when the market sort of starts showing some momentum on the higher direction, like Ethereum. Okay. All right. So thank you so much, guys. See you all in the upcoming session. Have a nice day. Goodbye, everyone. Okay. Bye. Awesome. 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 Thank you, guys. Thank you.